Hello. This is Group 32's second group project. It is the Weatherly app, and it is a customizable weather app. What is Weatherly? Weatherly is a customizable weather app with real-time data, alerts, themes, maps, and community reports. Users can personalize backgrounds, share weather postcards, and engage with others. It was built with Firebase, Open Weather Map, and Mapbox APIs. Problems and requirements. So a reason why we decided to come up with the Weatherly app is because users often find standard weather apps boring, cluttered, and lacking in personalization. There's limited ability for users to customize alerts, appearances, and interact with real-time community weather updates. So some of the requirements that we felt that our app should include are real-time weather, custom alerts, personalization, interactive map, community reports, shareable content, cloud storage, and push notifications. Our design overview. So our solution design was used with the Flutter app with the intuitive navigation and smooth animations, the bottom navigation bar for quick access to key features, state management using providers for user settings and community posts, Firebase Firestore for storing user preferences, theme selections, and community observations, Firebase Cloud messaging for sending personalized weather alerts, dynamic background themes based on weather conditions or user uploads. Some of our app screens include the home screen, city selector, forecast details, alerts and notification settings, interactive map view, theme customization screen, shareable postcard creator, community feed, and app settings. A simplified UML class diagram. So the weather data holds current weather info and forecasts. Forecast item is a single forecast entry, either hourly or daily. User settings are custom themes, alerts, and favorite cities. Community report is data structure for user submitted posts. Weather provider, which is the logic for fetching, saving, and submitting data, and it's connected to the Firebase and APIs. Our UI wireframe overview. So we have the main screens, which are the home screen that displays current weather, city selector, which has a search bar where you can manually enter cities, forecast detail screen, which gives you the hourly forecast as well as the daily 7-day forecast, alerts and notification screens, which toggles between rain, snow, and temperature alerts. And you can also set custom thresholds. The map view screen, which is an interactive radar and satellite map. Theme customization screen, where you can select preset themes or upload personal background images. The share screen, which create weather postcards with temperature, location, and mood captions. The community feed screen, which you can view, post, short weather updates, like and comment on posts from other community members. And the settings screen, which you can manage your preferences. Key logic or some pseudocode used when making this app were fetch weather, which is called Open Weather Map API, fetch forecast, which calls API for hourly and 7-day data, check alerts, which set the threshold to a certain temp, and if it reaches that threshold, it sends an alert. And if you set a certain weather setting, such as rain, and rain is detected, it will send you an alert. Apply theme, which sets the background image, which is either preset or user uploaded. The post community report, which saves reports to Firestone and refreshes the community feed. And handle notification, which if the user chooses to receive notifications, you can set how you want the notifications to come. And now I'm going to pass it to my partner.
Testing strategy. Manual testing, Flutter emulator, and read devices. Test location permission and auto fetch weather data. Conform alert trigger correctly based on user setting, rain, temperature. Check map interaction, zoom, pan, and radar overlay. Ensure community posts are successfully created and displayed. Test push notification for weather alerts and new community report. The team roles and contribution. Chelsea, UI UX design wireframe planning, forecast detail layout, visual styling and presentation slides, final touches and app branding. Sulaiman, Firebase integration, community feed logic, push notification, map integration with Mapbox, API handling for weather, forecast, app state management, and testing. GitHub workflow, uh, version control strategy, daily GitHub contribution. Each team member committed progress daily to ensure consistent update, maintain detailed and descriptive commit message. Conclusion and future improvement. Successfully designed and implemented customizable weather app with dynamic forecast, map integration, community reporting, and personalized themes. A future improvement, add severe weather alerts, hurricane warning, flood alert, support calendars, signing for weather-based event planning, expand theme workplace with downloadable background packs. Class relationship, weather provide user weather data, user setting control how weather data is displayed, community reports connect with a Firestore Firebase database.
And this concludes our overview of our PowerPoint presentation. Again, this is our Weatherly app, the customizable weather app developed by myself and my partner. We have provided our GitHub repository link, and thank you for reviewing our project. Now I am going to stop sharing and hand it over to my partner, and he is going to show the app and some of the features that it has.
Now, this is the Weatherly Report app. So basically, the first option, this is the location, for example, Crackleton. At the second option here, you can see the weather forecast. At the top, the weather forecast by hourly, and down is 7 days forecast. So this one is the next option. It's a weather report. For example, if it's windy here, you just type that message and click submit. And here's the view community report, community weather. For example, so it say here windy here, rainy, and also shows the Atlanta location. That's it.
Okay, this concludes our group 32 second presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much.